what exactly is pre-booking for those folks that don't do that? Can you give us
Yeah,
a definition?
yeah. Well, you could probably Google something and see what it means, but I think it's the same thing. Whether you don't even have to do pre-booking and logistics, like it's pretty standard across any industry. Like getting revenue on the books, really, and
Hmm.
whatever that means, and securing it. Like in insurance or something, it's probably like signing up somebody for a yearly annual package for life insurance, and that's pre-booking, right? Like pre-booking revenue on the books. Same thing for logistics. It's the same side. It's got two angles, really. Like customer side, like getting the revenue on the books, whether that's like getting 20 loads commitment from your shipper, knowing that it's going to be there every month, or if it's like booking it on the coverage side, making sure you've got 10 loads pre-booked every day you walk in, or whatever percentage that is. If you can come in with like a set goal of like, hey, I want to pre-book 80%. That was our goal at CH Robinson. It was like, hey, we want to pre-book 80% and let the other 20% let same day take care of that.